ha. Friend mo ako?
I'll take off my sleeper, my socks.
Anong nangyari? We are here at Solshera. So we're hiking a little bit because cart got overheat. Okay, at least my experience cannot hiking. We're almost there. In the pader. Okay. Hello, kuya. Diray hagming kuya dito sa among teepee. What's na hut?
Tipihat mo, ma'am?
Teepee hut. Ay. Abot namin sa Mount Apo, guys. Ari na ta, guys. The weather is so nice. It's cooperating with us.
Layo pa.
Ano na, hini-hini lang. Ay pagdali. Nangita pa ka asa ta. Next time, wala pa ganito nagsugod. Ako nga. Oh, nangita po kag sa kaon. Wala pa gani ka diha ka ginhawa. Wala ka kuyapi. Yan. We are now here at our accommodation.
Okay. Welcome to our humble abode. We are going to stay for the night here. And let me show you, let me give you a tour. Here is our double bed.
Wow.
I'm going to stretch.
Smile, T. Smile. Wave, wave. We'll get water. Get water. Thank you. So let's go. Iya, teh, ha?
Yan na, may mga hotdog diyan, wala.
Cup noodles na mo. Ha? Mga cup noodles na.
Okay, nini nga tubig. Oo.
Gusto mo utangan yung bunay?
Oo.
Ha? Sige, makuha ko ha.
Let's cook ramyun. Luto naman ini. Luto. Malusad na kita. Ang lamok! Ba?
Pwede ra po dito, sir.
Libre ra na, di ba? Morning, te.
Morning.
How's your sleep?
It was good.
It was good.
But you were snoring.
Are going to cook today. We will cook our breakfast. The first one that we will cook is bunay.
Kasama ito.
Uy! Ang tutpad yun.
Focus on the music. Explore a vast catalog of millions.
We are now heading to the entrance of Tulshara. Going home.